Good morning. It's a beautiful spring morning in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We're at the Chevy store at the McGrath family, and it's just a great opportunity to meet someone and ask a lot of great questions. And this is Haley Albert. She is the commercial assistant for the commercial and fleet department at McGrath. Haley, thanks for being with us today. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you guys for coming.
Oh, gosh, we love it. So tell me a little bit about the duties right now of your job and what's taking most of your time and how you organize that.
When I first started, a lot of my job was, marketing and getting our name out there. And as I've been learning more, a lot of the things that I get to do is kind of take back the paper load of it. I get to print all of our deals and just get ready for all of our customers to sign out.
I know that saves hours for the guys.
It does.
That's important. Tell us a little bit about the marketing side, some of the things you've been doing, maybe some things you want to do.
To start off, a lot of our customers will come in and say, oh, I didn't even know you had a commercial department. So I just want to get our name out there right now, just a general idea saying, hey, we have these available. Eventually, I want to start to target each individual and make it more personable. Like everybody that's looking for vans, send out something just for vans, just to them, so they can see that, hey, we actually have this, we can sell it to you, what do you need?
Oh, very good. I love that because that's something we in spouses target marketing. So you are way ahead of the game. You're there. I love it. I absolutely love it. I know also you guys have done some ads in one of the local business journals.
Yes.
How's that going?
It's actually gone really well. This is our first time running it. It's a Corridor Business Journal. It gets sent out in Cedar Rapids and Iowa City to different businesses. We actually got a free upgrade from them, which is awesome. We got our full page, back page. Yes, it's got some of the different vehicles that we have available. Obviously, we have a lot more than just that, and it has all of our contact information and just, like I said, just trying to get our name out there and letting people know we do have a commercial department.
Oh, excellent. And I know you've been instrumental in kind of getting the commercial CRM up and running ACT. And you guys have done some marketing stuff. Kind of explain a little bit about what you've done so far with ACT and how you've used it for marketing.
So with ACT, we can import all of our contacts that have their emails and everything like that. So they give us a couple different templates that we're able to choose from. I took a couple that I really liked and made them strictly for McGrath. I put our vehicles in there, our logos, our pictures, and everything like that. And I was able to pick different contacts in different groups to specifically send them straight through them through email.
Oh, so you're already doing target marketing.
Yep, just a little bit. It's like I said, it's more of a general thing right now. I have all different vehicles on there when eventually I'd want to target it just to one.
Oh, great. Well, it sounds like it's been a very useful tool so far.
It has. It really has.
Great. And we will definitely get the guys using it more. I know that's always a challenge.
I hope so. It is.
With every dealership we go into. So kind of what's the next step? Where would you like to see your position go from here, and as well as the department?
Oh my goodness, the department, I just want it to grow and grow and grow. In this area, there aren't that many Chevy dealers that do have a commercial department. I want to be able, just to take over the whole area and just grow our business as much as we can. Personally, for myself, I want to be more involved. I guess I would say, I get to do a lot of the back work of it right now, and I want to be able to do the front work right along with these guys.
Oh, wow. That's great. I want to come to work for this guy. Haley, thanks so much. And looking on the personal side, kind of your background and how you ended up in Cedar Rapids, Iowa.
So this is actually where my parents had met. My dad was in the Navy, so we kind of moved around a whole lot. My brother was born in Florida, and 2 years later we were across the country, and I was born in California. And we've been to quite a few different states, and then we kind of all decided it was time to go home. So here we are.
Well, we are very, very glad you decided to go home because, going into so many different dealerships as we do, we're in hundreds of dealerships, and, to have someone like you in a key position like this is really key and instrumental for sales growth because otherwise these guys get caught, like you say, with the paperwork, those type things. So, your biggest frustration with the guys? Got to throw that in.
Definitely the organizational skills. they like to have their loose leaf papers that it's hard for me to keep track of what they're doing, what I need to log for them, and then one paper ends up over here, the other one's over here, and they don't know where the other one went. So that's the one thing that I hope we get to work on.
Good. Well, we'll all work together on that. And now, fortunate or unfortunate, that's typical of every dealership we go into. These guys are sales guys, so they're like all over the place. They're
Yeah.
just making the deals run. So, but we'll stay on that. We'll see if we can't help you with that.
That'd
So,
be great.
super. Well, thank you so much for spending time with us today.
Yeah, thank
Much
you.
appreciated. And I can't wait to see what's happening next.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Cool.